Hello, YouTubers. If you want to know how I made this beautiful entryway console table, keep on watching. Hello, everyone. This is Jules with DIY with Jules. Welcome back to my channel. And for this DIY, I purchased everything from the Dollar Tree. All of the items will be listed down below, but the main items are these flower pots, a bowl, some hors d'oeuvre sticks, and I used two different types of glue, E6000 and Elmer's. I used canvases and I used poster board. Now you're going to begin by taking the flower pots and gluing all 6 of them 2 at a time. The clear salad bowl, and I glued one of those clear glass candle holders on top to give it a little weight. And on one of the flower pots inside, I added some stones so that I can have some weight on the bottom and some weight on the top. And then I glued all 3 of them together to make a tower. And make sure that it is level. Once it is all glued and dried, you're going to take it outside and you're going to give it a silver paint. And while that's drying, we're going to work on the top part of the table. Now I chose these canvases because they are very, very hard. And it's going to be the top of my table underneath the mirrors. Now I chose the poster board to put underneath that because I needed something to lay all 4 of the canvases and the mirrors on. And the canvases and the mirrors are exactly 8 by 10. So it was perfect for this project. Measuring, the poster board was smaller than all 4 of the canvases together. It was 32 inches, but I left an inch on each side and I made do. And now that everything is cut, let's start gluing and building the box for the top portion. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget that notification bell. I use this wooden coaster to put on the top of my tower so that I can use as grip for the screws that I'm going to use for this table. I also used another poster board and I cut strips, 2 for the sides and 2 for the front and the back. Glue all 4 strips to the top portion of the box and make sure you reinforce both top and bottom. To add additional reinforcement, I used this silver duct tape. I taped it all the way around the edges and also around the sides. I'm also going to glue the canvases on top. Then I'm going to be painting the edges so that when you put the mirrors down, you won't be able to see the white of the canvases. So if I had to do it all again, I would have made 2 towers. But because I didn't, I decided to use these paint stirring sticks. I used 3 of them. I laid them side by side, screwed them onto the tower, and then put my tabletop over that and screwed that on too. Like I said, these canvases are very hard. They're like a thin wood. Once my canvases were on, I went on to gluing the mirrors. To cover up the edges, I'm using these garland beads that I bought at the Dollar Tree last year. after I did the second round of the beads, I did the combination of bling wrap and mirror. I wrapped that all the way around and then put my third bead over the top so that I could cover the top of the tray. Remember the hors d'oeuvre pics? I snapped off the top and used the bottom as embellishment. Also used rhinestone wrap to cover up the areas where the pots meet. And I went on to embellishing the bottom with the sticks. Now, as I do with all my projects, I give it a good cleaning with alcohol just to clean up all the excess glue. Now, as I'm looking at my project, I had it all put up in the area that I wanted. I decided to embellish it just a little bit more. I used a beautiful hanging stone to make it look like it has a drawer, and I used some of those hors d'oeuvre sticks and put it on the bottom. Doesn't it look so awesome? Well guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial. Now don't forget to stop by my channel so you can check out my latest videos. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Stay safe. Bye for now.